Hi, I'm Dino Motti, consultant in public health at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, and I'm here to tell you about our winter vaccination program. Sadly, we're starting to see an increase in cases of flu and COVID-19 at University Hospital Wales and University Hospital Lanarkshire, which has even resulted in many wards closures. We're also seeing more infections in the community, including vulnerable and elderly people living in care homes. In order to reduce the risk of further incidents and outbreaks and make sure hospitals remain safe for everyone, we would ask anyone who is unwell with mild cold or flu-like symptoms to please avoid visiting any of our hospital sites unless strictly necessary. The best protection against seasonal viruses are the flu and COVID-19 vaccines, which are available free of charge to eligible groups which include older people, those with underlying health conditions, children and pregnant women. Anyone who is eligible will be invited to receive their vaccinations in either the GP practice, local pharmacy or nearest community vaccination clinic. Children between the ages of 4 and 18 will receive a nasal spray form of the flu vaccine at school and can have an injectable gelatin-free version provided by their GP. Each vaccination appointment should take only a few minutes, and trained staff will be on hand to answer any questions you may have. In Wales, we have a target of vaccinating 75% of the population against both flu and COVID-19, but sadly, there are many thousands of people in the community who remain unprotected. Without vaccination, people run the risk of becoming seriously unwell, spending time in hospital and increasing the pressure on our already stretched NHS. Getting vaccinated is one of the most important things you can do to protect yourself against flu and COVID-19 and to avoid passing them on to our loved ones. And don't forget, even if you have had both vaccines before, new types of flu and COVID-19 circulate every year, so you can still get reinfected. Protection also reduces over time, so it's really important to keep up to date with your immunizations when they're offered to you. Visit the Cardiff and Vale UHB website for more details about the flu and COVID-19 vaccines and who is eligible. Please play your part in protecting yourself and those around you this winter. Thank you.